Hey YouTube, it's Mondo82. Hey, I'm gonna let you guys see the progress of the wall. All right, my truck is already in the shop right now. I'm gonna show you these pictures. There's only two of them for now. Let you see what's going on with the build, all the progress that's being made. I hate this freaking new Windows 10. I just like the old stuff. Alright. Let's see if this go pop up. Alright, as y'all can see, this is the front baffle being cut, taken apart. And here is the photo now. This wall is almost done being taken down already. So definitely progress is going to be made, or is being made. As y'all can see, pretty thick 1-inch MDF wood that y'all see here. Alright, I'm deciding that I'm going to go with 30K on the 815, so I'm going to have a Powerus 15K on each set of 18, well not 18, but each set of 15. So I'm gonna have a 15K on one set of 4 banner hammers, and then another 15K on the other 4. So I'm gonna use my 15Ks, and like I say, I'm selling my 10Ks, and I'm gonna go down. All right, 825 ship. That's the lowest I'm going. I'm not going any lower than that for my 10Ks. They are one-on models, and if you guys want them, 825 shipped. All right, and they are in good condition, never been repaired, never had any problems, never went into protect, and like I said, the condition is pretty excellent. So if you are looking for some 10Ks that specifically claim out this vehicle, as you all see that they do perform well, you can hit me up. But this is the progress of the build. The wall is being taken down, and as you guys see, I am serious about these 815s. This is not going to take a year like my last build. So you're going to be getting frequent updates. Alright, if you got any questions about this, hit me up.